Open the floodgates of heaven, Lord. Let your holy rain fall down. Broken hearts are crying